Hi, welcome back. In this session, I would like to show you how to create Udemy profile to access all SAP ECC or S4 HANA courses. Not only SAP, you can able to access any other course for that matters. So, for example, first create a Gmail account if you don't have till now, but no person is available in IT market without this. If you already have, sign up for Udemy. I'll show you how to do this. Okay. So all these are the different courses available at my end. So I'll just open a separate window for this to show you. Okay. So I'll show you the Gmail account, and after that, this one also probably it is going to cover both. So let's click on sign up button. Here you go. You click on create account. I'm just creating. Let's put it. Okay. So SAP SD 27 I'm giving. Okay, Kumar. I'm just giving first name like this. So let's put the date of birth. This is for Gmail account. Don't worry. 23rd, 1987. Let's take it's simple way. So Kumar SAP SD Kumar 67. I'll take this one. Some suggestion. Okay. So click on next. It is asking verification code. Let's put it. We'll just stop here because. So this is the account which is got created. So what is the mail ID we created just now? SAP SD 67. Okay. You assume this is your email ID. I'm just copying this. If you have existing email ID, you can go through it. It's not a big deal. So it's simple from here. Let's go to Google, Udemy, login. Okay. So let's click here. So for example, here I'll do that. It's simple. You can able to create account also later. So what I wanted to do is let's come here. So this is the link. For example, you would like to get joined. Okay. So let's take this link, completely copy. Okay. Let's go to this browser. Or else you can go Google and create account also. Directly you can go like this also. Okay. Now, for example, this is the price. Suppose if you want certain coupon, suppose you can able to get for maximum 500 to 600, then you just ping me. I'll give you. For example, if I go to add to cart, okay, and just go to the cart simply. Okay, checkout. And checkout, it is asking name. Okay. SAP SD RAM. Okay, just simply give your email ID. What is the email ID which we have created? So just give password. Simple sign up here. So like, you can able to choose enter a new field, or else if you are existing consultant, then it is simple. You can able to give, okay, software, you choose anything, that is fine. I'll go to data scientist who will ask you, actually SAP consultant. So based on that, he will do recommendations. It is not mandatory. Suppose if you go here, simply you can buy, go to the cart, you can add whatever the course you wanted. I'll show you one more thing. Let's come here. For example, this is the course you wanted to learn, idocs related to. Let's come here simply. Whatever the account you created. Similar way, how you are accessing your Amazon account or something like that. Let's click on buy directly. Suppose if it is available 799, I'm not buying here. So you can choose the country and whatever the state you belongs to. All these are the payment options available. You can able to check out. I cannot buy my course, right? If you want, you can buy. This is how you can able to do it. Okay. Apart from that, free courses also available. Probably we can do one more video. So this is how you have to sign up, and you have to get continue with Udemy account creation. Okay. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat.